Do you also want to start Indian dropshipping but you don't have enough budget to start it? So to prove that Indian dropshipping is actually profitable or not, we are going to take up a 48 hours dropshipping challenge in which I'm going to spend only 5,000 rupees on ads, and let's see how much orders and how much profitability we are going to get by spending 5,000 rupees. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to design my store and my product page of Ram Mandir. So let's begin. So I'll go to store customization. This is the competitor's website. So I'm going to make a similar but a more upgraded version of this one. I'll seek 2 to 3 product pages, and I'm going to combine all of this and make a good page of mine. I'm not telling you to copy the whole thing, but you can just improvise according to you. So let's get started. You can see my screen over here. So here I'm going to use a software that is an anti-detecting browser creating software. It will help you to multi-manage your Facebook, Google, TikTok ad accounts without getting them suspended, and there won't be any tracking, so that you can easily scale your dropshipping business Indian or internationally. This is Go Login, because once we start scaling, we need a lot of accounts. If you keep logging into your Chrome browser profiles, it might get suspended, and there's very high chance that your Facebook ad account can get suspended, and you might be loading a lot of budget in it. So I won't recommend you to open multiple accounts on your Chrome browser. So here I'm going to open my store in Go Login. Along with that, I'm going to open my ad account in the Go Login as well, so that my team can manage that. So here I'm going to create one browser profile for myself, and profile one Shopify. I would highly suggest you to use proxies, because when you use proxies, your IP addresses don't get changed. So on that manner, all the things that you have done the changes on, it will get synced in the browser profile. Along with that, if you're running ads on Facebook, Facebook is very particular about IP address tracking. If you keep on opening multiple ad accounts in your laptop, so it will track down your IPs, and all your ad accounts that are linked to this one particular proxy of yours, it will get suspended at the same time. That is why I recommend you to go for these anti-detecting browser that will help you with the multi-management of your ad accounts and your stores. So here I'm going to use the proxy also. For proxy, I'm going to select your proxy. So for proxy, I'm going to use HTTP proxy, because I mostly use HTTP proxy for a proxy. So here I'm going to open this platform called PacketStream. This is a platform that provides multiple types of proxies, mostly residential proxies. So I particularly and my team uses this platform for proxies, and you should be using proxies in order to save your online presence if you're using platforms like Facebook ad accounts in bulk. So obviously, PacketStream is a crowdsourcing marketplace for residential proxies. If you're doing dropshipping for US, obviously you need US IPs. So I would highly suggest you, if you want to buy some proxies, you can definitely use this platform. I'll go to this network access. So here I have chosen HTTP proxy, and my country will be India, because we are obviously doing Indian dropshipping. And I'm going to choose sticky IP. Sticky means your IP address won't change. And here I'm going to select IP hostname. So I'm going to copy HTTP proxy host, and here I'm going to paste it in the IP address. And for the IP port, I'm going to copy this, and we are going to, so I'm going to copy my username, and this is my password over here. I'm going to paste it, and let's check whether this proxy is actually working or not. So you can see we have got the proxy. It is showing the country India, and the location it is showing, that is Siliguri. So I think this is all okay. So we are just going to create the browser profile. So you can see the profile one Shopify with the same IP address that we have used for the India. It is already completed. Now we can open our browser profile. So here you can see we have got a new browser profile, and here I'm going to log in my Shopify account. So if you want to use any of these platforms that I've used, like the PacketStream and Go Login, you can use our referral link. You will get a good discount of 10 to 20%, and they have free trials also, because you are using Facebook and Google ad accounts and you are paying them, and if by any chance or any mistake of yours through the scaling process and you are using multiple accounts, and if your accounts get suspended in the prepaid account, your lot of money can get wasted. Along with that, you will end up losing lot of optimization that have already been done. So I would highly suggest, if you're scaling, do use these platforms. So here you can see this is my store. So what I have decided to do in this particular challenge, I'm going to customize my store in one particular niche. Like whatever my product will be, I'm going to design my whole store based on that product only. I'm going to show my store. This is the basic store that I've already made for testing, but I didn't did anything. I just made this store and I'm going to customize it according to my product. So guys, you can see that we have run ads for Ram Mandir, and after 48 hours, these are the results that I'm showing you in my ad account. So you can see that in first copy we have got 21 orders, in the second copy we have got 21 orders, and in the third copy we have got 59 orders. So you can see we have got around 101 orders. We have spent around $71. Cost per purchase for this particular product was around $0.65. You can expect like around 70 to 80 rupees. So these are the results. So if you want, you can also run ads for this particular product, and the delivery percentage of this product is dropping day by day. So the delivery percentage right now is around 48%. If you want, you can still run ads on this particular product. The only thing that you have to make sure about is that your website should look very ethnic and related to the theme, that is Ram Mandir. So that's it guys. So this is how we have completed our 48 hours dropshipping challenge, and I have already showed you the result. These are the results. This is how we have completed our orders, and let's see how much delivery we can get. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.